Good morning, everybody. We are going to see the chapter number 1, topic 1, continue. Last time we have seen the introduction part of this chapter. There are two various methods for constructing index number: fixed base method and chain base method. In the fixed base method, in the numerator, current year value; in the denominator, value of the base year. While in the chain based method, numerator means current year value, in the denominator value of the previous year. We see for this data 2008 to 2015 and average daily wages are given to us: 275, 284, 289, 293, etc. Part 1, fixed base method. In the fixed base method, the first year 2008 or whatever may be the first year taken as a base year, and that is why the value 275 in the denominator of each and every term. For the 2008, 275 upon 275 into 100. Always this value multiplied by 100 in order to express in terms of percentage. 275 upon 275 multiplied by 100, value is 100. For the fixed base method as well as for the chain base method, the first year index number would be 100. Similarly, for 2009, 284 upon 275. This 275 remain fixed for each and every year in the denominator, and that is why it is known as fixed base method. Index numbers are generally constructed by using two methods: fixed base method and chain base method. For the year 2010, 289 upon 275 into 100. The answer will be 105.09 equal to right side equal to the chain means answer is that equal to 106.55, 108, 113.82, 119.27, 125.45 are the fixed base indices for the different years. In the chain base method, base year is varies every year. The previous year become the base year. For 2008 it remains same, but for 2009 284 upon 275. For 2010 289 upon 284. For 2011 293 upon 289. In the method of chain base, in the denominator always take the previous year value. Price, quantity, population, wages, whatever may be given, it is known as statistical data. Here daily wages are given. For constructing chain base indices or chain base index number 275 upon 275. Always remember, for the first year, whether it is fixed base method or it is chain base method, index number remains same: 100 for the fixed base method and 100 for the chain base method, because previous year become as it is. Similarly, value equal to right side, these are the indices for chain base method: 100, 284 upon 275 into 100, 103.27, 289 upon 284 into 100, 101.76, and etc. These are the values of chain based index numbers or chain based indices. Here we have to construct index number by using three different methods: by using fixed base method, by using chain base method, and by taking 2011 to 2013. These 3 years, 2011, 2012 and 2013, the value 293, 297 and 313, average value of 2011 to 2013. So, first of all take the average value of these 3 years, which is 293, 297 and 330. The average value of 2011 to 2013 is 293 plus 297 plus 313 upon 3. The answer would be 301. 301 becoming the denominator of each and every year for calculating indices by using average method. The given year, the data and average value, these are the indices by using average value of 2011 to 2013. These are the data 275, see 275, 284, 289, 293, 297, 313, 328 and 345. For calculating indices, for calculating index number by using average method, 275 upon 301. How to get this 301? Then take average value of 2011, 12 and 13 as said. Therefore, in this method, part 3, solution part 3, these are the exercise 1.1. In the textbook, if you see, 1.1, the basic primary method for constructing index number. Fixed base method by using chain base method by using average value. So, in the denominator of each and every year, by taking 301 value, which is average value of this 3 year, you will get the index numbers. For example, 275 upon 301 into 100. To multiply by 100, always multiply by 100 in order to express the term in percentage. Because basically, what is index number? The percentage change of the value of the characteristics under study for the current year with respect to some base year. The definition of index number is that all we have seen. 275 upon 301 multiplied by 100. 284 upon 301 into 301 is the average value. Answer will be 91.36, 94.35. Similarly, 289 upon 301 into 100, 96.01 and so on. So, basically we have seen fixed base method. In the fixed base method, always take the first year as a base year. In the chain base method, the previous year become the base year. In the average method, average for the 2 year, average for the 3 year, average for the 4 year, or whatever may be said, suggested as per the example is the taken as a base year value. Means these are the 3 methods. For practicing this, take exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 1.1. First 3 example or 2-3 example and illustration number 1-3. If you practice means this type of minimum 5 example, then it will be more clear to you. And if find any difficulty means then please call me or call Hafiz sir. Okay, thank you.